that somewhere in a soothing forest there is a doorway to dreamland. And that only opens up during this most relaxing sleep meditation. For kids, and if you are lucky enough to step inside this enchanted doorway, your every dream, only those wishes for things or travels or toys or achievements that they certainly do come to life. Here, but also the even more important dream to always feel so good inside. To be so blissfully happy, to feel so super confident, and to totally believe in yourself. No matter what music, and if this all sounds pretty wonderful to you, then you must be ready to be shown the hidden way to discover this amazing portal. Light, love, happiness, and fun. So simply close those heavy eyelids of yours and snuggle into a perfectly relaxing position as we begin your journey now to this most peaceful place, and with your eyes still gently closed, you begin to feel really relaxed. So you take 3 deep breaths in through your nose, feeling your belly like a balloon of healthy fresh air, and then letting that air flow calmly. Every time you breathe, you feel yourself relaxing more, and a lovely dreamy feeling begins to take over your whole body, making you feel very cozy, warm, and calm inside. Fawn light is here to keep you safe and whisk you away on a wonderful journey in this very moment right now, because this golden light is transporting you into a very special woodland forest, and you notice the air becomes so very fresh, and you see you are surrounded by the loveliest leafless trees. This forest could be anywhere in the world, although it feels very familiar. Perhaps you have been here before. But either way, what matters most to you is that you see this forest has come to life with such vibrant energy. There must be a full moon tonight, because everything is bathed in an enchanting glow, making it very easy to see here in this silvery moonshine. So you look around at glowing toadstools and red-spotted mushrooms. There are wildflowers growing over mossy tree roots, and gooseberry bushes sprouting over soft feathery green grass. You love breathing in this forest air, which tastes so pure. And you love stepping along this forest floor, which feels so fluffy. And do remember, this is called earthing. When you connect your bare feet with the energy of Mother, because this healthy energy makes you feel so very welcome here. And all of a sudden, a little ball light floats over to you and hovers near your face, and you see it's a firefly. A delightful little creature which looks like a floating forest lamp from nature, and you sense that this firefly is here to help you to become even more relaxed for this most soothing adventure, because only then will the doorway of dreams reveal itself and open the magic way to you. So this little firefly friend of yours helps you do a body scan to feel so soothed. Here its golden light grows bigger and shines down around you. Can you see it? Because this glorious golden feels so warm and cozy and super calming. Can you feel it? The firefly hovers closer to you and glows relaxing beams of light down over your face, neck, shoulders, chest, arms, hands, belly, legs, and twinkly toes. And you know in your heart that this loving little firefly friend will keep you safe and look after you on this marvelous journey. And now you are more relaxed than you've ever been, and this is all starting to feel like a wonderful dream. And your friendly firefly flits on ahead, now pausing for you to follow as it darts along and shows you the hidden way through the forest to the doorway of dreams. And happily you follow, feeling very curious and ready to make this discovery, as the forest around you feels more enchanting with every soft step. And now you begin to see a magnificent globe between the bushes and shrubs. The firefly flits onwards just ahead as you walk closer and closer until you arrive at what must be the oldest and wisest tree in the whole forest, a tree as old as time. Into your amazement, you see an open doorway right there, and the tree trunk swirling with a magical mist and glowing with golden light. You notice that this is the same colored light as your firefly friend. All of a sudden darts straight ahead through the doorway and disappears. Wow, you wonder where this tree portal leads, so with a deep breath you walk closer. The light now shines brighter, then a magical mist puffs around you, so reach out your hands and watch this sparkling energy twinkling over your fingers. And now you step into this loving light, and inside the doorway to dreams, and everything around you is all cloudy and colorful with so much brilliant energy. And as the mists clear, you begin to see what looks like an even better version of the world, like a fairy tale kingdom where anything is possible, because instantly you feel uplifted. your soul. You feel so wise, so confident, generous, so sure of yourself. You feel on top of the world. For you are full of pure positive energy and excitement, as though it is your birthday every day. For in this dream realm only the best things come to pass, and all people and creatures here have such kind and positive energy. And with this newfound confidence and high self-esteem, you are ready to explore some more, and to your delight, your firefly friend reappears, flitting about freely and ready to show you about wherever you wish. And together you discover this enchanted forest opens out into a huge meadow. And you notice that the beautiful wildflowers and green shrubs grow even bigger here. You reach out and pick a juicy gooseberry. It tastes so sweet and succulent, absolutely delicious. And you spot a castle in the far distance, and a friendly dragon gliding through the sky. With a toothy smile and little puffs of flames. Music. This is amazing, a real fairy tale, Fantasyland. In fact, you start to see lots of mythical creatures such as unicorns trotting by and any other animals you dream to see. As soon as you think of an animal, it appears before you, for this is Dreamland. So which animal do you dream to meet? Think of it now, and to your amazement, this creature now walks over to you and nuzzles into you in the most adorable, friendly way. What else do you wish for inside this doorway of dreams? It will instantly come true. Thank you. Think of a wish now, and suddenly here it appears. There is no limit here to how many wishes and dreams you may make, and you may manifest in ways while feeling so good about yourself and your wonderful life. What would you most like to be, do, or have? How would you like to feel about yourself? Where would you most like to travel or explore? And everything is possible, for you are so very, very special. You have some time now to enjoy this splendid place, and to enjoy playing and manifesting and making everything you love come to life. Have fun, and when my voice returns, it will be time to travel home for your deep, healthy sleep. Magnificent time inside the wonderful world of dreams. It is time now to return home to your safe and cozy bed. And so your firefly friend hovers ahead and shows you the way to the hidden portal door in the wise old tree. And with a deep breath you step into the golden light once more, and enjoy the colorful clouds swirling all around you. until all of a sudden you arrive back on the other side of the portal door, back in the beautiful earthy forest where this dreamy journey first began. And with a twinkle of the magical golden light all around you, your firefly friend bids you farewell. With an extra sparkle, this loving golden light whisks you back home to bed, and it is here that you feel the warm covers around you and your softest pillows supporting your very sleepy head, and so you fall fast asleep and rest happily all through the night, drifting deeper and deeper into your happiest dreams, and always feeling so confident, safe, special, and loved, because you know that the doorway to dreamland is always waiting just for you as a lovely shining portal of light, and you remember how to become so very relaxed, to be showing the way by your soothing little firefly friend. And you may take this lovely journey, and always remember that anything is possible anytime you wish. Sweet dreams, dear one, and good night.